Hi, welcome at the unboxing video of the Fat Shark HD3 Core goggles. These were supplied to me by DroneShop.nl. These goggles are the same as the HD3s, but the Core version is just simply without all the cables, HDMI cable, battery. You only get the casing for the 18650 batteries. So let's open this up. So, in the box you find these, the Velcro sticker you need to put in the goggle, and two foam pads, stickers, little bookie, inspection card. That's that part. Now the goggles. As usual, the Fat Shark goggles come in this nice case. Been a while since they changed that part. So you get the default cloth. It's always there with any Fat Shark. The 16850 battery pack to put in, a pair of 18650 batteries to power up this Fat Shark within this cover. You need to put them in, and then you can power on the goggles, or you could use the old trusty 1800 mAh LiPo from Fat Shark, or any other battery. Be aware, you cannot charge the 18650 batteries within this case, because, well, you're not be able to. You could possibly mod this case to put in a balance connector. There are some videos online, or you could just get a charger for those batteries. It's about 15 euros. And you can charge the 18650 batteries just fine. And here are the goggles. They basically just look the same as the HD3s. You have the IPD change part, and they will disable the RX, headphones, HDMI in, power, all the menu buttons, the fan, and the part where you put in the receiver, depending on if you put in a 2D or a LaForge for both sides, or maybe later the Immersion RC rapid fire. In my HD3s I will be putting in a 3D diversity module. Been using it in my Attitude V4s, worked awesome. Only had to get a new plastic cover, because it's different between the Attitude V4 and the HD3, so get the proper cover, otherwise you won't be able to put them in. To put in a 3D, you just line in the connectors, be sure that they're lined up for all the holes, and then just gently press it in, and voila, there it is. Fits like a glove, works awesome. Just plugged in the battery to check if my 3D powered up. Well, as you can see, it works fine. Switch the channels and all stuff. So this is, yeah, looking good.